include the endpoints. Okay, why don't we take a look at now our last question. Identify the location and value of any relative maxima and minima of the function, local maximum and minimums. Okay, it's just checking where do you have bumps and cavities and bumps. Alright, I see a bump here, right? Do you see any more bumps? I see somewhere going up, but it doesn't make the peak point. So this doesn't qualify as a bump. This is not a mountain top yet, because I know they are still climbing up and I don't know when they stop. It looks like endless. They are never stopping. So this is not maximum, because it keeps going. This is not maximum because it's not max. Not relative max because it keeps going on. But this is a relative maximum. There is a maximum here. But where is this happening? And what's the value? So you need to find that real peak point and write down its coordinates. Can you write me x and y coordinates of this? Which one is first? 1. If you say 1, 0, you're here, okay? So it's 0, on x-axis it's 0, on y it's 1, so it's 0, 1, okay? So the maximum is 0, 1. There is only 1 and it's at 0, 1, so let's see how we enter this. There is 1, oh, they are starting with minimums. Why don't we count minimums at first? Oh yeah, here you go. There is one relative maximum, one maximum, but how many minimums? Let's count the minimums as well. Do you see some cavities? I do. Here. This is a cavity. This is a cavity, right? It goes down and turns up. Whenever you go down and turn up, there is a cavity, there is a hole there, right? There is a valley. Look, it's a V shape. Valley, okay? So we have these 2 points, relative minimum. Can you write down their address or location? This one is negative 1, 0. This one is 1, 0. What was the maximum one? 0, 1. Again, x coordinate goes first, y is 0. Since these two green dots are on x-axis, their elevation is 0. So y values are 0 there. Since this guy is on y-axis, x coordinate is 0 and y value or elevation is 1. Anyways, we got them. We got 2 relative minimum. And it's going to ask where those are happening. At negative 1 and at positive 1, we have relative minimum, right? And that minimum value is 0. This is asking for y value. So at negative 1 and positive 1, those 2 points both go to the height of 0. Elevation is 0. Minimum value is 0. They make 0 value. So this is what you enter. Where is the maximum? It's sitting at 0 at x equals 0. And how high is it from the ground level? Maximum is, how high is it? 1 unit, right? Green dots were at 0, so that's why we call them 0, but red one, the maximum is 1. Okay?